Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first 10 questions deal with the passage. The passage is all about entrepreneurship. You got to read very carefully to answer the questions. Let us go to the first question. Question number one. What do the statistics on Singapore reveal? Answer is the third option. Government has gone to tremendous lengths to promote entrepreneurship. It is not the first option. It is not the second. And answer is the third option. Question number two, same in meaning, and the word is enclaves. The word is here. These misconceptions matter because they produce lousy policies. The world is littered with high tech enclaves that fail to flourish. High tech enclaves. Based on that, it is not classes, it is organizations. High tech enclaves means high tech organizations. Answer is the fourth option. Sorry. Question number three. Which of the following can be inferred in the context of the passage? Answer is the fifth option. All the given statements can be inferred in the context of the passage. Question number four. What is the author's view regarding the government's efforts in connection with startups? Answer should be the first option. He is critical of their efforts, which he feels are overly dependent on foreign investment. Question number five. According to the passage, which of the following is not an effect of the current perception regarding startups? Not an effect. There has been an upsurge in FDI, especially in South Asian countries. As substantial employment is generated by startups, the gap between the haves and have nots has reduced. Governments are wary and have lost confidence in startups after the economic downturn. Answer is the first option, only A. Question number six. Which of the following is the reason for change in Singapore's laws governing startups? In order to keep foreign investors at bay, the right word here, B, and insulate the economy. Answer is the fourth option. Keep someone or something at bay means maintain safe distance or keep away from someone or something. Question number seven, exacerbating. Exacerbate means to make something worse. Excuse me. Something is bad, from bad to worse, then we use the word exacerbate. Here the question asks for the opposite word. Based on that, this is a negative word, it has a negative connotation. Based on that, you need a positive word, opposite in meaning. Answer is the first option, improving. Question number eight. What does the author want to convey through the phrase ecosystems can be seen as exploded corporations? You can see here In some ways, ecosystems can be seen as exploded corporations. Finance departments have been replaced by venture capital funds, legal ones by law firms, research by universities, and so on. The sentence talks about outsourcing. Based on that, many functions previously handled by corporations are now outsourced to specialist firms. Answer is the second option. Question number 9. Which of the following is the central idea of the passage? Answer is the fourth option. It is important to understand entrepreneurship and devise strategies to encourage it. At the beginning of the passage, the writer talks about how to it is difficult to understand entrepreneurship. Based on that, fourth option is the answer. Question number 10. Which of the following can be said about Silicon Valley? Its existence is possible owing to the financial assistance from the government. It has continued certain myths about entrepreneurship. It is an area which houses many startup companies. All the three can be said. Based on that, answer is the fifth option, all A, B, and C. So those 10 questions related to the passage, these questions deal with double fillers. It comes to marriages. When you see this, you should think of one particular word which goes with standard expression. When it comes to, in conversational English, quite often we use this expression. When it comes to hard work, when it comes to studies, when it comes to corporate schools. So you have to look for the word when to save your time. It is in the fourth option. When it comes to marriages, Indians have started looking beyond the confines of five-star hotels and palaces. Beyond any doubt, answer is the fourth option. You don't have to think of other options. When it comes to, because there's only one option with the word when it comes to marriages, Indians have started looking beyond the confines of five-star hotels and palaces. The finance department has a centralized online data bank system for all statutory government bodies to an I. Again, there is a standard expression. We say it goes with conversational English as well as formal English. Keep an eye on someone or something. Keep an eye means to observe, to take care of. Where do you see that the word keep? Based on that, answer is the second option. The finance department has introduced a centralized online data bank system for all statutory government bodies to keep an eye on their assets and liabilities. China is under pressure to clean up its contaminated environment, and earlier this year it also started an environmental high court to major cases to hear, clear, save. Save is not correct. Reach is not correct. Solve. Let us look at the first option. China is under immense pressure. Tremendous pressure would have been correct. Tremendously is not correct. Large pressure. I already have this cannot be used. Exactly pressure, not correct. We need an adjective, but tremendously adverb, exactly adverb. Answer is collocation based also immense pressure. China is under immense pressure to clean up its contaminated environment. Excuse me. And earlier this year, it also started an environmental high court to hear major cases. Answer is the first option. NASA is launching a new remote sensing instrument in space that will the moisture lodged in Earth's soils with accuracy and resolution. that will calculate the moisture absolutely is not correct. Definite accuracy, absorb the moisture and with definite accuracy. Hold the second option. Highlight is not correct. Amount is not correct. Measure unprecedented accuracy and resolution. That is launching a new remote sensing instrument in space that will absorb, that will measure. Answer should be the fifth option, not the second option. Measure unprecedented accuracy means never before. Accuracy means something that is definite, something that is correct or authentic. Answer is the fifth option. In a major initiative to the education sector, the state is all set. That's what usually we say. Only one option has the word set. In a major initiative to revolutionize the education sector, the state is all set to introduce multimedia digital collaborative textbooks. Answer is the fourth option. Though the key says the first option, that is not correct. These questions deal with phrase replacement. Till date, private ratings and grading in the real estate sector have aided developers for market themselves. It should be to market or for marketing themselves. Till date, private ratings and grading in the real estate sector have aided developers in marketing them in a better way. Answer is the third option. In marketing, aided, helped developers in marketing them in a better way. That makes sense. The toddler who is thought to have been the first case in the outbreak of Ebola may have catch the virus, may have caught, should be, not catch. Based on that, the first option, may have caught, may had catch is not correct. May have caught, possibility, which is a guess. Past possibility, which is a guess. Might have caught or may have caught. What is the function of that pattern? Past possibility, which is a guess. Bank unions have threatened to go on striking, to go on strike. You don't have to read the complete sentence because here the phrase in bold, bank unions have threatened to go on strike. Standard expression, go on strike. Answer is the fourth option. Lot of the key says to go striking on. Third option, definitely. Answer is not the third option. Answer is the fourth option. Bank unions have threatened to go on strike on multiple days later this month if their demand is not accepted. Question number 19. As the economic scenario has become unpredictable, the need for organizations to be more flexible would be better. As the economic scenario has become unpredictable, the need for organizations to be more flexible and agile has increased. Answer is the third option. The key says the second option, really surprising. Answer is the third option. Question number 20. Finding the rightly talent, finding the right talent, finding the right talent is more than just a good recruitment process. Third option. Remaining in a job profile for a long time prove beneficial. It should be proves beneficial, not prove. Proves beneficial. Price of non-subsidized cooking gas (LPG) was cut by rupees 43 per cylinder as international oil rates slumped to their lowest since May 2009. It is not 2, it should be only TO2. Slumped to. Answer is the second option. Slumped to their lowest since May 2009. The state government has put a ban on organizing health camps without prior approval of civil surgeons. I don't see any error. Without prior approval of civil surgeons. Answer is no correction required. The role of HR, human resources, in an organization has continuously evolved over the last couple of decades. I don't see any error. Answer should be the fifth option, no correction required. The subject here, the role of HR, human resources, in an organization has continuously evolved. Absolutely no problem. Organizations are begins to recognize are beginning to recognize it should be organizations are beginning to recognize and embrace the value of recruiting and welcoming back former employees. The next five questions deal with parajumble, not difficult, cannot be the first sentence, cannot be the first sentence, ruled out, ruled out, ruled out. What is the first sentence? Obviously, D is the first sentence. Few people get a shopper's high buying toilet paper, motor oil, and toothbrushes. Second sentence related to shopping. But perusing the aisles hunting down these items is like a shopper's paradise for most, unlike buying life insurance. The first two sentences are general statements. After that, all about life insurance. So, DC, what is the third? It ranks at the top of the list. It means life insurance. It ranks at the top of the list of things consumers know they probably should buy, but get no personal enjoyment from whatsoever. And the reason for it being just a bill, not that. In spite of gaining such an important position, life insurance is just another bill to pay. Here, life insurance, it ranks at the top of the list of things consumers know they probably should buy, but get no personal enjoyment from whatsoever. In spite of gaining such an important position, no, I think it should be B. After that, it should be F. Few people get a shopper's high buying toilet paper, motor oil, and toothbrushes, but perusing the aisles hunting down these items like a shopper's paradise for most, unlike buying life insurance. It ranks, I'm sorry about that, it ranks at the top of the list of things consumers know. And after that, in spite of gaining such an important position, top of the list, important position. These two, one idea. Another bill to pay. Clue for the next sentence, bill. And the reason for it being just a bill is because, in worst cases, your family collects the benefits, unfortunately, when you're dead. Despite this fact that you're not around to see its benefits, it is still a critical part of many people's financial plans. DCBFAE. This is the correct order. Benefits, benefits. The clue for the next sentence. These questions deal with grammar knowledge, spot the error, only one part. The size of the frame should be proportionate to the size of your face, as your sunglasses help highlight your features. The size of the frame should be proportionate to the size of your face, as your sunglasses help highlight your features. There is no error. Answer is the fifth option. 32. The damage that our skin suffers daily can be repaired with the help of antioxidants. The damage that our skin suffers daily, better word, every day. The damage that our skin suffers every day can be repaired with the help of antioxidants. There's an error in the second part. While the remix stayed true to the original, the addition of flute and mouth harp made the rendition more appealed is not correct, more appealing, made the rendition more appealing. Why were you arrested and how was you? You don't have to go beyond that. Why were you arrested and how were you treated in jail? The move is aimed on is not correct. To attracting. The move is aimed, it should be to attract more private airlines and one more possibility because this is also not correct. If we use for, the move is aimed for attracting, but generally we use the word at, aimed at something. But here we cannot use attracting. Or let us consider parallel expression. The move is aimed at attracting more private airlines and providing relief to passengers. There's only one error in the first part, aimed at something. Every road improvement project seeks to eradicate, not eradicating, seeks to eradicate. The minister wants school trips to be limited on domestic destinations, limited to domestic destinations, and has already discussed the issue at the meeting. Employees on frequent field visits will be monitored through a satellite application and will not be able to stay home during outdoor duty hours. Will not be able to, not being. Obese people without an overt manifestation of heart disease experience silence cardiac damage. It is not silence, it should be, we need the adjective form. Silent cardiac damage. The man approached the girl and tried to befriend her as she was returning, not returned. Past continuous tense. As she was returning from school. The last 10 questions deal with close test. There are experts who believe that population control is not needed, such as in Singapore. The government in Singapore decided that it would be better for the country to grow in population so that they are used, it should be, or tried, so that they are tried to help their economy. Answer is the third option. Many less developed countries' population growth, many less developed countries agree that is not right. Subject, no, promote population growth. Answer is the fourth option. Many less developed countries promote population growth because they want the economy to grow. The experts who believe that it is better for us to let the population increase or decrease on its own also think that overpopulation will never look, possess, transform, lead, become, will never become a problem. Answer is the fifth option. Justification for this thinking or reasons for this thinking is that answer should be the first option. Justification for this thinking, why it can be justified. Justification for this thinking is that humans will adjust to the growing population because they are a species that are able to think, make decisions, and find solutions when they encounter a problem. When they encounter a problem. Advocates of this chapter, examples, argument, story, advocates of this argument think that there is no need to worry about environmental problems because there is or will be technology to fix the problems. Argument. As per the amount of resources, as per the limited amount of resources, as per the limited amount of resources, they believe that there would be more people to think of new ways to make it easier or faster to get newer and more food and energy resources. Answer is the first option. Many people believe that overpopulation will cause and has caused many environmental problems, but they don't think asking families how many children they are allowed to have. Many people believe that overpopulation will cause and has caused many environmental problems, but they don't think compelling families how many children they are allowed to have is the It should be the fourth option. It should be the is a way to control the population. Answer is the fifth option. Is the way practice to control the population, way to control the population. However, there hasn't been any other plausible suggestion on how to lower population growth. Not much, not availability, not received. Answer is the second option. Any other plausible suggestion on how to lower population growth? So limiting families to two children is only solution. That's all about this paper. Thank you very much.